At Napsamruddhi, we realize that a climate crisis is actually a water crisis because climate change manifests mainly through the medium of water, whether it is drought, floods, cyclones, or rising sea levels, which affects salinity and also affects the health of people. And then if we look at melting glaciers, all these are because of climate change, and ultimately these impact the availability of water, the quality of water, as well as there are cases where there is destruction to sanitation structures, especially of the vulnerable communities. So we have therefore, being a WASH champion, we have launched a climate ready WASH funding program, which was launched 6 months back, and we have moved ahead in this. And in this, what we are trying to do is we are trying to finance climate smart WASH solutions for the needy, for the vulnerable. So we are partnering with microfinance institutions in this, and we have technical support agencies or knowledge partners such as water.org or Finnish Mondial. So they are helping us. The solutions, the knowledge, the capacity building comes from our technical partners, whereas we give loans at concessional rate. And we are also championing this program in the sense we are taking it forward as an ecosystem builder. And today itself, we actually kickstarted the campaign for this at ground level. And we expect that there will be a lot of funding for this because once the rural women realize that they are at risk from climate, that their wash, their water, the sanitation is at risk from climate change, once that awareness is generated, there will be a demand for them for such loans, and our microfinance institutions are ready to support them because we have built their capacities as well. Yeah, start. Yeah. So we also realize that financing is a major hurdle towards solutions. This is because most of the lenders or financiers, they feel that WASH is not an income generating activity. So they prioritize income generating activity when they're giving a loan rather than WASH. But we have realized that WASH as such is not only income generating in the short term, it is actually a very sustainable solution because it supports the net disposable income of the communities, especially the marginalized, in the long term by impacting their health. And we have seen that 80% of diseases and deaths in the developing countries is caused by waterborne factors or water related factors. So, given that if we address WASH today, it is going to address the livelihoods of this section in the long term, which is going to be beneficial to the financial sector as well, as these segments not only sustain, they also upscale. So we try to support the NBFCs, the MFIs, the housing finance companies with concessional finance, which we avail from our parent NABARD, and technical support comes pro bono from our knowledge partners such as water.org, Finnish Mondial, and others. So, in the bargain, there is a blended finance, right? And this helps us to sustain these initiatives. And where it comes to WASH MSMEs, again, there are challenges, but again, we feel that blended finance, non funded support, and also outcomes based financing can help this kind of a segment in the long run.